Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to restore deleted apps to home screen on iPhone. So sometime unfortunately delete apps but not showing it to home screen. So at first open App Store to check, click on to profile, to apps, then showing it to recently deleted apps. If you want to reinstall, simply click on to download option. Now I'm already download this option, so now showing it to open option but showing it to exactly download option. So and the second, go to app library to showing here all apps. For example, I'm at my YouTube, so long press to drag on to add display. Okay, now add home screen. So that's how you can easily restore deleted apps to home screen on iPhone.